everyone, welcome back to our channel Basic English and Vocabulary, a way to improve yourself. Hope everyone is happy and healthy. So let's begin with our today's topic is present simple tense. Use of present simple tense. Where we have to use present simple tense. We have to use it in daily routine, which things we are doing on a regular basis. is he goes to school daily. वह डेली स्कूल जाता है. Habit. Habit mean which we are doing on our interest. Like I play cricket. मैं क्रिकेट खेलता हूँ. Universal truth. Earth revolves around the sun. पृथ्वी सूर्य के इर्द गिर्द घूमती है. Action done frequently, occasionally, rarely. They go to shopping on Sunday. वह संडे को शॉपिंग पर जाते हैं. Now next topic is present affirmative tense. In present simple tense, we have four types of tenses like present affirmative tense, present negative tense, present interrogative tense, present WH question tense. So right now we are learning about present affirmative tense. If Hindi sentence end with ता हूँ, ती हूँ, ते हैं, ती हो, ते हो, ती है, ता है. So we have to use present affirmative tense. Like sentence structure of present affirmative tense is subject plus verb first form plus object. With he, she, it. Subject. Subject means he, she, it. I, you, we, they. We have to use verb first form plus ses with he, she, it plus singular things, and verbs first form with I, you, we, they plus plural things. Examples are वह किताब पढ़ता है. If you look at here, you can see that पढ़ता है. The sentence end with ता है. He reads books. Here he is singular, that's why we use reads. वे किताबें पढ़ते हैं. They read books. They is a plural, or we have to use verb first form, that's why we only use read. Next is present negative tense. The sentence structure of present negative tense is subject plus do does plus not plus verb first form plus object. We have to use does with he, she, it and singular things, and do with I, you, we, they plus plural thing. Example is वह किताबें नहीं पढ़ता है. So he does not read books. Here you can see we use does with he and not, and verb first form read. वे किताबें नहीं पढ़ते हैं. They do not read books. They, we have to use do with they. Next is present interrogative tense. Interrogative tense means when we have to ask a question with someone without WH question words. In that, do does plus subject plus not plus verb first form plus object and question mark. Here you can see that do does come first, then subject. Does he read books? Does come first. He is a subject. Read is a verb first form of read and books is the object. क्या वह किताबें पढ़ता है? Next one is does he not read books? Not always come before verb. Remember it. क्या वह किताबें नहीं पढ़ता है? Now next is do they read books? क्या वे किताबें पढ़ते हैं? Here you can see that with they we have to use do and read first form of read. Do they not read books? क्या वे किताबें नहीं पढ़ते हैं? Now the last topic is present WH question tenses. Here you can see the sentence structure is WH question words plus do does plus subject plus not plus verb first form plus object. It is similar as interrogative tense, but we have to use WH before do does. Like where does he read books? Here you can see that WH word is where, then do does plus subject is he, verb is read and object is books. वह किताबें कहाँ पढ़ते हैं? Where does he not read books? वह किताबें कहाँ नहीं पढ़ते हैं? Where do they read books? वे किताबें कहाँ पढ़ते हैं? Where do they not read books? वे किताबें कहाँ नहीं पढ़ते हैं? So if you notice all the Hindi sentences end with ता है, ती है, ते हैं. So if you think if you are confused with which sentence you have to use, so you just have to look up on your sentence if it is end with ता है, ती है, ते हैं. So you have to simply use present simple tense. Okay, so hope you like the video. Thank you for watching it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. We will meet soon in the next video.